Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, December 13th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. All right, so we impulse down. Let's turn this down and copy it. We're coming off a corrective wave, so we should land beyond our dollar marker. One thing I want to make mention right here, that was a pretty good rejection. So we're going to use that as a control point moving into the future. But moving forward, as you can see, we're coming off of the corrective wave when we're starting to head back down. I expect to see the price come all the way down to the point of control. So once we get past our dollar move, we're going to cut through the halfway point, which is the high of the day, plus the low of the day divided by 2, and that's roughly around where the halfway mark is. So once we get past that dollar move, we should cut through the halfway point and come down into the point of control.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains. We're going to allow this price to continue to drop.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to close out once this contract catches up and...
Order filled.
And there's a $2 move on this drop, ladies and gentlemen. If it pushes back up to the 531.50-ish area, we actually might go back up with the market. So let's see what happens. Let's swap the puts out for calls and see what happens here in the next moment or two.
Order filled.
And we're going back up with the market, ladies and gentlemen. So let's reference, what was it, 531.50, 531.56, something like that. So I'll mark up my 2-minute chart and I'll just show you a reference point. Again, we don't have to be to the penny exactly. You'll get the idea. So we got in at this bar. We'll call it 56 was the last time I caught looking at the price. And we're going to look to take it up to about $1, which is roughly that area that we pointed out earlier where we had the rejection. So this should be a quick and fast play. So once we get our dollar, we'll probably punch out as soon as it gets there, and then I'll mark up my charts and show you what we saw.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order filled.
And there's our $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. So we took $2 on the first trade, $1 on the second trade. So on 2 trades, we're up $3. So let's mark out the charts and I'll show you what we saw. Reverse H, moving average bounce, H pattern. Reverse H, moving average bounce, H pattern slingshot. Reverse H Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. As always, never forget, be a pro.